Hey, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? I wanted to make a quick video explaining what you need to do today for your 7B study guide, which is the only thing you need to do today. You should have this assignment shared out to you in Schoology, and what it is, it's basically a full comprehensive study guide for the standard 7B, which is what your quiz is on Tuesday. Remember last week we talked about how we'd come back Monday, do some review. Tuesday we'd get into class and we'd review a little bit at the beginning, and then you would basically take your test the back half of class. Um, you guys are going to crush it. It doesn't go as in depth as we have gone into the carbon cycle and such, but um, I just going through the questions. I know you guys will be able to crush it. Don't worry. So section one, what it is all about the carbon cycle. So this standard is broken up into two different cycles. We talked about the carbon cycle and kind of like global warming, and then we talked about the melting ice caps and the water cycle. So first section is dedicated to the carbon cycle. First thing I need you to do is describe the processes, right? So I'll even do one with you right now. Combustion, what is it? This is the burning of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels, fires, cars, and such like that, like combustion engines, right? Those are things that we talked about. Who does it? Well, humans. Humans do it. Humans do it. Um, do it with our cars. We do it with factories. Do it with bonfires, right? All that stuff. How does it affect the carbon cycle? So this is the most important part. Does it push carbon out or does it pull carbon in? And we determined right, it puts carbon in the atmosphere. I'm just going to write ATM for atmosphere. It puts carbon in the atmosphere. And then what does it do with the carbon? Store it, release it, convert it? Again, right? It releases carbon. Carbon gets pushed out, right? All right. So we were able to do that within a matter of like, a minute, right? So just spend a few minutes on each box describing each of these processes, okay? Then you'll move on to here and you'll see I have a model basically made out for you, but I have some directions over here. So it's already labeled in terms of what these things are. What you need to do now is point arrows, right, into which direction. So animals, what do animals do? Well, animals respirate, right? They respire. And we know respiration releases carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So draw an arrow from the pigs out here into the atmosphere, right? There's one of my arrows, and then I need you to label it. So you would label it respiration, right? So basically, take this model and make your own carbon cycle model. That should be easy enough. I have some very helpful videos here. Some of them you guys will recognize. We've actually watched a few of these in class. And then we go to section two, which is a little easier. It's the water cycle. So for the water cycle, I've gone ahead and I've even made the arrows for you guys. So I have each of the arrows here. You just need to tell me what the process is. So this process of this water going from this big lake up into the air, right? What would that be called, right? Well, we would call that evaporation. Our notes the other day. And then you need to explain to me exactly what evaporation is. What is that process called? And then we have just 4 boxes to fill out. And after you do that, you are done for the day. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to message me or let me know. And if not, I will see you guys on Tuesday where we will review and then take our quiz. So have a good one.